Howdy ho, YouTube. Another Taurus High Point production coming at you. I'm going to show you the difference in those gears I was talking about the other day. The ones with a screw in them and the pop-on for the helicopters, the RC helicopters. This is an old friend. We go way back. He's one of the first ones I got. I was expecting a Commander Pro, but this little guy showed up instead. I was a little angry, but I got over it. Now, don't know how much of that you're actually going to be able to see in there. Let me try to readjust and retorque and but right there's a small screw that goes into the gear into the shaft. Okay. That keeps that gear from popping out. There it is. You get a real good look at it there. You can hold it into focus, but it's right there. Let me spin her back around. And it holds that gear in place. Now, was this a mod I did to this one because it was my first one? Tell you what. Here's another one that hasn't had the head redone on it to the blue head. It has had the flat fly bar added to it. It is the same color. And I'll get you in on, you can see the screw right there. Okay. The press-on fit, like that E-Shine. Does not, I mean, at the production level, what would it have cost to put a hole and add the screw? It could not have been a whole heap in the way of cost to do that. And it is a lot more effective than this press-on gear, which has no screw. Problem there is, you bump or hit these things hard at all, your main gear comes flying out of there. Now, some say it's a safety feature, some like it, others don't. Then you got to get back in there and mash the gear back in with everything you got and make sure it meets back up. or make sure it goes back in the correct upwards and downwards, top and bottom, kinda like flipping a coin. And see there? Sometimes that can happen and the gear just pops and there's no drive. And you're busy looking for what did I do wrong or what's wrong in the main motor. When all it is a little pop gear. And it's, when flying, it's just inconvenient. Like I said, it's been a Taurus High Point production. You choose, therefore you are responsible. I'm gonna keep it. There's nothing wrong with the chopper other than that gear. It is an excellent flying machine. Again, you choose, therefore you are responsible. And Taurus High Point out. I was just showing you the difference in those gears.